Today we are going to talk about Publytics, a privacy-friendly web analytics tool that helps website owners track visitor behavior in real time without collecting personal data. Many website owners rely on analytics tools that track the personal information or slow down their site, which can raise the privacy concern or compliance issues. Publytics is designed to solve these problems while still giving you useful insights about your audience. In this video, I will explain what Publytics is, the key features it offers, who it is useful for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal work with this tool. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and explore the simple AI tools and practical software that help the small businesses and creators to get insights and make smarter decisions online. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the link in the description to explore Publytics and any AppSumo offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Publytics is built to give you real-time analytics while keeping your visitors' data safe and private. Instead of tracking personal information, Publytics focuses on anonymize the metrics like page views, session duration, clicks, and conversions. This makes it ideal for businesses or websites that want to respect privacy regulations while still understanding the visitor behavior. One of the main features of Publytics is real-time tracking. You can see how many visitors are currently on your site, what pages they are viewing, and how they move through your content. This is useful for monitoring live campaigns, tracking user engagement, or understanding which pages perform best. Another key feature is conversion tracking. Publytics allow you to define goals like newsletter signups, downloads, or purchases, and then track how visitors complete these actions. You can identify which pages or campaigns drive the most conversions without accessing the personal data, which is important for privacy-conscious websites. Publytics also provides behavior insights. You can see which pages are most popular, how long people stay, and where visitors drop off. These insights help you to improve content, optimize layouts, and make better decisions about your marketing strategy. For website owners, marketers, and small business teams, Publytics is especially helpful because it is simple to use. You don't need any technical expertise or coding skills. The tool focuses on showing meaningful metrics in an easy-to-understand format, which helps you to make decisions quickly. Another advantage of Publytics is that it respects the privacy and compliance. You can use it without worrying about the GDPR, CCPA, or other privacy rules, which is important for websites targeting international audiences. The tool collects data in a way that avoids storing the personal information but still provides actionable insights. Now let's talk about the AppSumo lifetime deal in a simple way. Publytics is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. That means you pay once and get the long-term access to the platform. This is helpful for small businesses or website owners who want analytics without monthly costs. The first AppSumo tiers is usually suitable for the beginners or small websites. It allows you to access the real-time tracking and basic analytics features, which is enough if you only need insights for a single website. The next tier gives more flexibility. You can track multiple websites, get more detailed behavior insights, and define the additional goals or conversions. This is ideal for growing the business or marketers managing multiple projects. The higher tier plans, they are designed for the agencies and advanced users. This plan supports more websites, high traffic volume, and additional reporting options. If you manage multiple clients or larger sites, these tiers provide more control and scalability. If you want to monitor your website traffic while respecting privacy and avoiding the complex tools, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link, that can be very helpful and smart option. You just select the tier that matches your needs and the offer will apply automatically without any code or extra steps. So overall, Publytics is a practical and beginner-friendly analytics tool for website owners who want clear real-time insights without compromising visitor privacy. It helps you to understand user behavior, optimize your site, and keep smarter decisions while keeping data safe. So that was the video about the Publytics and the lifetime deal on AppSumo. If this video helped you to understand better, then give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more simple videos or review like this. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video.